Select the model, making sure that your model consists of a maximum of 300,000 to 400,000 faces. If it exceeds 600,000 faces, you will need to perform retopology. Upload the exported model to Mixamo. Proceed to the next step by selecting the next option. Apply the markers to your model as shown in the template. And press the next option. The automatic rigging process is complete. Now you can choose and use any animation you desire. Click on the download option to transfer the animation to your computer. Import the animation you downloaded to Blender. With this method, you can easily add animations to your models. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.